Hello guys, welcome to day 5 gratitude challenge. Today topic is magical money. How many of you are interested in money? What if I say everything in this world is energy? Money is energy, we are energy and everything is energy. And what if I say everything is interconvertible? Money to energy, energy to money, me to energy, energy to me. Isn't it beautiful? So basically, whatever we share, we attract it in multifold. So it's not just the money you are sharing. Maybe you can share your abilities, capacities. Maybe you can train people or you can offer your services to others. That's the way you are getting money, right? Sometimes we think only in one direction that we can get money, only through job or the business. But it can happen in other ways. For universe doesn't have a particular way of giving money. It can find n number of ways to give you money. But are you in a position of receiving? Recently, I was asking for unexpected money to show up. Do you think it can show up? Unexpected money? Yes, it does. Because of the sincerity and the wonder you are having and the excitement you are having and the trust you are having in the universe, it can show up. For me, how it showed up just 2 weeks back is I have upgraded my credit card long time back and I got a gift for upgrading. And this was unexpected money. And money can show up in lot many ways. Sometimes you wanted to buy an item and it is at a discount. This is also a way of you are getting money. For example, now you are admitting your child to a school and they are reducing their fees. That is also a way of showing up money. Sometimes people wonder how can unexpected money show. Are you all open to like finding a gold mine somewhere in your land? Like if I sell a property and somebody else get it and they happen to dig the land and that the gold is there. Somebody has buried the gold long time back. So money can show up in unlimited ways. But how much open are you to receiving of the money? So money doesn't have any problem. It will flow through like a current. It's just flowing all the time. But how much are you open to the receiving of it? That's the question. For example, if you go to your childhood, how many of you were given all the gifts that money gave you? May it be the better clothes, better food, and all the gifts you have you have gotten in that time. So many things you would have got, right? It's like whoever has gratitude for money will be given more, and she or he shall have abundance. Whoever doesn't have gratitude for the money, more will be taken away from them. Whenever you keep blaming and complaining about money or any particular situations related to money, you keep more and more, you keep attracting more and more of them. It never gets resolved. Even if you see one thing get resolved, other things will show up to get resolved. So you need to change the vibration of the money you are having. Once you change this vibration you are having, then money will show up in unlimited ways. That's the way you should be open to unlimited streams of income. You should never think, okay, I can do only this way. Maybe you are good at painting, you are good at cooking. You can generate money out of it. Have you ever thought how many capacities you are having? Make a list of them and see which all you can use to provide services to the others. Or for fun of it, share your wisdom and they are contributing to you in terms of money. Have you ever thought of this option? So today, go and explore all your gifts, all your capacities you are having. And whichever the things you are not put into use already, you have all the capacity. Basically, having money is also acknowledging your greatness. You are capable of doing some 10-20 things, but you are stuck to 2-3 things. Why not put your energy in other areas as well? Have you ever thought of it, putting into other areas? If you commit to yourself to put into those areas, everything will adjust. Time will adjust. The family will adjust. Relationships will adjust. Friendship will adjust, and they will be supportive to you. Everything in the universe will support you. Have you explored multiple options? So today, one task is go and see all the good things you are having through which you can make money. Just have the question and keep this question in mind so that it keeps repeating and it will show up the way to generate money. And for all the bills you receive, you think, okay, I am paying one more bill. Don't think like that. Have gratitude for the service you received. For example, you pay for daily milk vendor, the vegetables, everybody, right? Have gratitude for everything you received. So it comes all over from farmers to retailers. In between, so many dealers are there. Have gratitude for everybody, the service you received through every one of them. Say thank you for that bill you have received. And whenever you get a salary or whenever you make money in your business, have gratitude for that. Sometimes people say, I want $50, for example. And they say, I don't have $50, I'm not getting $50. Instead, focus on the $3 you have. Then it will multiply to $5. Have this satisfaction with whatever you currently have, then more will be given to you. I'm not saying just be satisfied at the current place, but be satisfied and then look out for the other option. You should come always from the place of abundance. So today your exercise is for every bill you have received, maybe take 2 or 3 of them and say, thank you for all the money I have been given throughout my life. You be thankful for the money. In Hindu tradition, they say Lakshmi. You be an invitation for the Lakshmi to show up in your home. Let her come when she comes and let her go when she goes, but you keep the doors open. And you are not, don't make money so significant in your life. You be happy with wherever you are and money will show up. What if having money, you can do number of things like helping other people, you getting enrolled into lot of classes, dance, arts, or helping them for charity, helping others for charity, or contribution to the society in terms of an organization, promoting some services. Having money, you can do many things than not having money. What is the value you are holding on to not having money? So with this, I want to conclude today's session. So for all the bills, you can say thank you for all the money I have been given throughout my life. Along with this, you can say count on your 10 blessings throughout whatever you feel in whichever area of your life. And then also practice the gratitude rock. Do this diligently, otherwise you won't see the changes. Because it is subtle level that the changes are happening. The internal level, the changes are happening. Unless you practice or put it into a play and do it, it will you will not have that awareness to acknowledge whatever the changes happening. You can hear this a number of times, but you will wonder what is happening, what is not happening. But only if you do the practice heartfully, then the changes happen. Have fun day, guys. See you all tomorrow.